Hey Cool Cat, ready to dive back into music notes because I got a whole lot to share with you. We're going to explore the three main types of musical clefs, which are the treble clef, my marker's running out, and then we have the bass clef, and we also have the percussion clef. Both the treble clef and the bass clef have 5 lines. And then the percussion clef has 1 line. When you're trying to figure out what instrument communicates best with you, what instrument you just really want to play and learn how to play, it's important to know that everyone's different. So everyone's going to be reading different clefs inside their life. Some people may be reading the same clef as you, but other people may not. The treble clef is played by people who play instruments like the violin. The piano on the left hand is on the right hand is played with a treble clef, and also instruments like the flute or like a trumpet. The bass clef is played by instruments such as the upright bass or the bass guitar or the tuba. As you notice, these are lower end instruments, meaning that when they play music, when music is actually coming out of their instruments, let's say that we had a bass right here, right? And a little bow, right? When music comes out, it has slower wavelengths than if it was like with a violin. I'll just make a little violin like this. It's a very bad violin. Where the wavelengths are a lot faster. Percussion has so many different sounds and so many different pitches that many times we just have a single straight line because we're trying to represent that, hey, you may be playing the tom-tom, or you may be playing the snare, or you may be playing something like the cymbals. And we'll even put a little writing in here that might say cymbal so that you know that you're playing that instrument at that time. Many percussionists play several different instruments at the same time, which makes percussion so super cool. Last but not least, if you're playing either the bass clef or you're playing with the treble clef, you have 5 lines that go like this: 3, 4, 5. And then whenever there's a grouping of rhythms, they'll be separated by something called a bar line. Okay, Cool Cat, that is all for today's music lesson. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. Bye.